Welcome back, guys. Today video is going to be about corn. I'm going to be growing my corn or sowing my corn today, guys. It's roughly about the 10th of April, so I know this might be a little bit early for me to be growing them, but I don't think we're going to be getting any more fruits, and it doesn't really get too cold anymore now, so I'm going to give it a go. Alright, these are sweet corns that I grew there last year. I'm just basically just trying to see if they will, the seeds are viable to grow again. So this over here is my sweet corn bed, guys. This is what I try to grow sweet corns every year. Alright, so what I'm going to try to do is just kind of measure the size of the bed and see how many, corn plants I could put in here. So I could probably put 3 of them comfortably going down, rows of 3, So I think I might just do that. Alright. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to put two seeds. Like this, guys, just 2 seeds. Just to try to help with the germination. And if they both come up, then it's all good. Alright. And I'm roughly going to go about a centimeter, sorry guys, about 30 centimeters down, and I'm going to repeat. Put in 2 seeds in each hole. So as we all know, guys, corn, once these guys get going, they're very durable once they get going. I believe that they come from like a grass family. You could say they come from the grass family of plants. So as you know, they'll grow very fast once they get going. Right. I'm not getting the seed sprinkling properly, guys, at the moment. Right, so I'm going to just dig a hole here again. And just put 2 in. Alright, guys, pros of growing your own corn. Yes, you're gonna have nice organic sweet corn, guys. No pesticides, none of that kind of stuff on your corn when you grow it yourself, guys. Right, guys, so also our sweet corn will be ready. You could say within 3 months we'll be eating corn. Alright, so also sweet corn also contains like magnesium, copper, zinc. All of this stuff is good for you guys, and if you grow it in an organic way, that the minerals you're getting is going to be truly good for you. Also, guys, last year I grew my corn indoors. They were ready to just go straight into the soil. But gardening is all about experimenting and trying things differently. So this year I said, well, let me just try them straight from seeds in the ground and see if that makes a difference, Right, guys, so we're nearly at the ending. I I didn't exactly count how much seeds I did to the garden, but as you can see, we put 2 in each hole. Yeah, I believe we got quite a few here. That's the last few. Let's just get this. Right. Let's put one here. That's it, guys. So now what I do is I put them in their holes first so I can see where exactly I put my seeds. Then once I've finished, I'll just go back and just gently, just a light cover, just a light cover just to make sure that they're not exposed to the light, guys. Right, guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video here in Southeast England, Southeast London, in fact, where my allotment is based, so maybe that's why I could let it grow in April. It's fairly warm at the moment. We've got some grey skies. I'm expecting some rain later on, so I'm not going to be giving this a water. I'm just going to allow the natural rain to do what it's going to do, guys. Alright, and also thank you to the new viewers, the new subscribers. Guys, if you're enjoying what you're seeing, don't forget to drop a comment. I'm answering all of them, and I'm also enjoying reading all of them, guys. So on that note, I'm going to say live well, and together we grow.